In this video, we will be looking at the effect of sewage disposal on the river water quality. This will be done with the help of an easy calculator tool. The link of this online tool is given in comments and description of this video. Let's take an example of a clean river where the disposal of sewage occurs through one sewage outlet pipe. Let's take one example value for it. The river has a flow of 84.6 million liters of water per day, and sewage has 25.9 mld. There is 8 milligrams per liter dissolved oxygen in river water and 0 dissolved oxygen in sewage. The pollution or BOD is to milligrams per liter in river, whereas sewage has a high BOD of 100 milligrams per liter. The temperature of water in river is 22 degrees Celsius, and that of sewage is 26 degrees Celsius. Now, let's put the values in the easy online tool. First, we will put the value of river parameters in the tool. Then we will put the data for pollution source. You can also add additional pollution source at different distances with just clicking Add Source. Now, the data is complete. You just press the Calculate button. The results are automatically calculated. You can see the drop in dissolved oxygen content in the river. The dissolved oxygen drops to 0 for many kilometers, and then it starts to increase after hundreds of kilometers. You can also see the drop in BOD, which is the decrease in level of pollution with distance. This is due to self-cleaning property of river. The critical distance is 25.61 kilometers, which means that this is the point where there is lowest dissolved oxygen level in the river. There are further results and recommendations in analysis. The typical constants values are set to default that you can change as per your special case. There are Q and a section, and also the assumptions are given. You can save the file, which you can import at any time. You can also export the report as a PDF or as a Word document. You can show this report and also compare with the reports from other cases. Aquatic life and fish needs a minimum dissolved oxygen, else they die off. Hence, dissolved oxygen is very crucial to be maintained in the river. Fish will not survive in the shown region, as it is lower than 2 milligrams per liter of dissolved oxygen. The pollution needs to be removed or greatly reduced to make this river alive again. Treatment of sewage can be done for it. If the sewage was treated to remove 80% of the pollution, then new BOD becomes 20 milligrams per liter. Let's test for it. We can clearly see that critical dissolved oxygen is 5.5 milligrams per liter. In this river, the fish can survive easily. In this way, you can easily analyze the health of the river, which is very essential to find the solutions for its rejuvenation. Now, use your imagination to test for different scenarios. Subscribe us for more content like this.